In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use small caps in Microsoft Word. Small caps is a formatting feature that converts lowercase letters to uppercase while keeping them slightly smaller than standard capital letters. This style is often used for headings, titles, acronyms, or to give your document a polished professional appearance. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open an existing one where you want to apply small caps. Type the text you want to format first. You can apply small caps to a single word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph depending on your needs. Next, select the text you want to convert to small caps by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Highlighting the text ensures that the formatting will be applied only to the specific section you've chosen. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font group, you will find a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Click this arrow to open the Font dialog box, which contains advanced formatting options. In the Font dialog box, look for the section labeled Effects. Check the box next to Small Caps. You will see a preview in the window showing how your selected text will appear with small caps applied. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the formatting. The lowercase letters in your selection will now appear as smaller uppercase letters, while the original capital letters remain full size. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut if you want a quicker method. Press Ctrl-Shift-K on Windows or Command-Shift-K on Mac. This shortcut will toggle small caps on and off for the selected text. Small caps can also be combined with other formatting options like bold, italic, or different font styles to enhance your headings or titles. Just remember that small caps works best with fonts that are clear and readable, such as Times New Roman, Calibri, or Arial. And that's it! You now know how to use small caps in Microsoft Word, giving your document a more professional and elegant look with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.